I'm losing control, but now what should I do? Complicated world, already don't know who I am. I wanna go home, but I don't wanna be alone. What are you laughing at? You make me lose my mind. Let me go. Leave me alone, I can't breathe at all. I don't wanna hurt you. What should I do? What I've done to you? I didn't mean to do it. Now listen, hurry up, run away. Push me now, I'm gonna take your life away. It's time to pay. Now get down your knees and crying, now begging me, bitch. I enjoy your tears, I don't regret it. I've been hurt for so long, but that's what you deserve. Do you feel my pain? The second time I'm asking you, don't you feel sorry? The last time you killed me, I was laughing at you. Whatever you did made me become so numb. Make me become so numb. It reminds me of the devil waking up when I was higher. Don't remember who I am, I just remember what you did.